Welcome to my channel, EdTabs TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Good morning mga kabaro. Ang video na ito ay kadalasan makikita natin sa loob ng engine room machinery, tinatawag na waste oil incinerator. Dito sinusunog yung oily waste rags, karton at sludge na galing sa waste oil tank number 1 at number 2. Itong mga sludge galing example ng LO sludge tank, EPO sludge tank, galing ng purifier tuwing tayo magandak ng blow off, manual or automatic blow off, at ganun din ng EPO purifier. Tuwing mag blow off tayo, magkasama yung counting tubig at sludge. Pag medyo marami-rami na ito, i-transfer ito papuntang BSOT or Belt Separator Oil Tank. Then transfer na naman tayo papuntang waste oil settling tank number 1 or number 2 through sludge pump. Ang lahat na ito ay recorded to oil record book or oil record book. After inheating ito, pag wala ng tubig ng waste oil tank, pwede na ito umpisahan sunugin through waste oil incinerator. Ito rini-record din at ilagay ng oil record book. Mayroon din ng mga ports na tumatanggap ng sludge through reception facilities at binigyan tayo ng certificate for disposal, nakalagay kung ilang cubic meter. Record din sa ating oil record book. Please share, like, and subscribe din sa ibang mga video mga kabaro para makatulong tayo. Maraming salamat at God bless mga kabaro. Have a safe voyage.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.